Okay, so we are live again. Bitcoin, there is a buying plan, but it should reverse very much quickly from here, or else the next support level is somewhere here. Hmm. Mm. Here. Hello, bro. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Yeah, I'm audible. So, ready. There's a buying level here in Bitcoin and a selling and a buying level here in gold also. So, if gold comes here slowly, slowly, कैसे मैं बिल्कुल take all good, all good, all good. Like the stream, guys. Like the stream. आज से हम ये चैलेंज को वापस से रिज्यूम कर रहे हैं. We'll take each and every trade which has been formed, and आज से हम very much consistently will take our trades and make good profits and complete the like challenge as soon as possible. So आने दो. ये प्लान है गोल्ड में. BTC में भी सेम प्लान है. We have to go for buys if it comes here, और इधर से अगर वापस से रिवर्स होता है we have to go for a buy side here. Challenge trades. Yeah, from now whatever trades we'll be taking, that's our challenge trades. From this stream onwards, any trade, whatever trade we'll place here, will that will be the challenge trades. You can join my Telegram channel, which is there in the description of this video. If you join there, this is my channel. Here you can see that I have posted my lot size. Okay, download this and we'll be following this only. So today we'll be taking trade from 0.04. Ending capital will be 32. Yeah, already joined. Good. So we'll be following this thing. So from now whatever trades will be formed, it will be our challenge trades. Okay, we have made our strategy and setup more and more better. So nowadays we are getting very much high probability and very much high risk to reward trades. Our trades are giving around 100, 150, 130 pips. Yeah, good. If it's at $150, you can move $130 or something like that to another account. You can keep just $20 in your account. You can open one more XNES account. In that you can keep your 130, $20 you can keep in this account, and whatever trades will be taking, that will be the challenge trade. Okay, so yes, this is the plan. Gold is more promising, which I feel here. धीरे धीरे आने दो, यहाँ से उठाते. Bitcoin में there is a bit slow, like fast by selling here. थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ता है here. We have to wait properly and plan our trades here. Mark this level. And this is the support zone, okay? Support, it broke, it became a resistance. Again, it broke, again a support. So, okay, so this is the support level here. We'll be trading on this level. Let it come slowly. We'll go for buy side trade from here. Gold. Yes, 85,600. This is the level. This is one key level. Then another key level is on 85,330, somewhere here. The next key level is somewhere here. Okay, this level. This is the next key level. If by chance gold does, like Bitcoin does not react anything on this support, then we'll go for this support. Okay, this is more stronger support here. So what we'll do, if this support fails here, we'll draw another support level here. Chota. Okay, delete this. This is another support level. So if by chance Bitcoin does not sustain here, what do you think of your stake? Bro, I actually don't trade all that. I only trade gold and Bitcoin. I don't trade any other because I have good edge on gold and Bitcoin. I understand the behavior of these two. US tech and all I have never traded, so I don't know much about it. Every pair have different this thing. If not this level, then we'll go for this level. And the targets which we'll get, we can easily aim for 50, 60, 70 pips also. Morning there was a good sell side trade here in Bitcoin, okay. That gave around how many pips? I'll just show you which was the trade. I was not available at the time. I was in my college, so I could not take the trade. I'll just show you which trade was that. Okay, there were two trades actually. One trade gave around 140 pips. Another trade is running, which is around 180 pips trade. So if you guys can see it. Okay, so these were the two trades here. First trade was this trade, which was around 140 pips. This is the buying trade. Now this is the second trade which was formed. It was the selling trade in which it's around 180 pips. So could not take these trades because I was in college that time. But they were very much good setups which were formed. I have a surprise, but what is the surprise? Like, what is the 100% of my strategy? I'll just reveal it on when I hit my 1000 subscribers that time, which is just increasing our trading edge like hell. Join all the streams regularly because you should not miss any trades whatever we take. And in gold, this is on selling level, and this is also a good selling level here. Hmm. So these two are very much high probability selling areas. Mark these two levels. Go to the 1 minute time frame, refine it more. Hmm. Yeah, both. I'll be live on both London session and New York session. London session timings are from 12 p.m. to around 3 to 3:30 p.m. The New York session timings will be from around 6:30 to 9:30 or 9:15. 9:15 to 9:30 p.m. So this will be the two sessions in which I'll be live. And in middle, if I get a good setup, okay, like anytime maybe around 5 or something like that, if I get any good setup, that time also in middle I'll just come like on live and then I'll execute the trade. So you can join the Telegram channel and be active there, because in middle also whenever I get any good trade, I'll just come live at that time. So I'll paste my live stream link there so you can join the stream. But these two timings are fixed, 12 to 3:30. Then next will be around 6:30 or 6:45 to 9:15 or 9:30. These two will be the timings of the session, like stream timings. But trust me, whatever setups we are gonna take from now today onwards, I have backtested uh, it from a long time. Whole Saturday Sunday I have been backtesting this strategy which we have made new one. Okay, it's based on liquidity and it's based on support and level which the algorithm follows, not the support and resistance which we mark. These are the support and resistance which the algorithm follows. So be on live. We are gonna take very much crazy trades from now. Should have taken the trades. I'll just show you which way the trades. 1 second. Mm, okay. My screen is visible again, right? Fine. So this one trade, this one trade, and this one trade. These were the three trades, okay, which were formed. This one was seriously so beautiful trade. Morning it was formed around 7. This was another trade which was formed around 10:45. How do you find alcohol levels? That's a secret, bro, that I'll reveal when I hit my 1000 subscribers. They are not normal support and resistance level. Thing like this. This was a trade which was formed morning. Beautiful trade, man. It was around 144. How much? Around 150 pips trade. And this is another trade. I just, because of this college, I could not take entries on this trade. So good trade, you know. Even this is around how much? 180 pips. And even yesterday, I was just backtesting it, okay. This was one more trade which was formed. This was around 47 pips. Even in gold, so many beautiful trades, you know. I have backtested it. So this is a new strategy which we are following. Gold, yeah. This was one trade. And this was the resistance level, I guess. This was the level. Around 6 tips here. Then I had deleted the past levels, but seriously, from now whatever levels it will be marking and whatever trades will be taken, it will be very much high probability. And just mark this one level. I'll just tell you, 100% most probably there will be a reaction from these levels. I'll just mark it with it's that level, yeah. This is not your FVG, okay. So this is one level. If gold come here, you can see that gold will take a rejection from here at least 40, 50, 60 pips sell side trade, but this will be our main key level here in gold. It's the Bitcoin trade which is running. All the trades are based on liquidity, and all the trades are based on proper key supply and demand zones. If you see my previous live stream also, previous day, so this is the live stream, okay, previous sessions, Friday's live stream. I gave two trades, okay. One was this Bitcoin. uh, Load होगा जल्दी. Okay. Okay, so this was one, was this Bitcoin trade, okay. I was just forward testing our new strategy from here, okay. This was the buy side trade, okay. I'll just tell you how many pips. What was this level? Around 83,500, right? Around 7 p.m. 83,500 around 7 p.m. Bitcoin. Yes, है बन रहा है BTC में. BTC में ट्रेड बन रहा है. What was the date? सैटरडे को डेट क्या था? एंड सॉरी, नॉट सैटरडे, फ्राइडे को 21, राइट? 21. लाइक द स्ट्रीम गाइस, लाइक द स्ट्रीम. BTC में बन रहा है ट्रेड. 21. Okay, so it was 21 around 7. The trade was given around 7. Okay, this was the trade, right? At this point the trade was given, okay. And see here the same W, and from here upside movement. This trade went around 180 pips, 184 pips, okay. This was only Bitcoin trade on stream only, okay. Then we gave another trade in gold, okay, sell side trade, okay. This was gold's another sell side trade here. This trade gave around 150 or 160 pips. Hmm. Yeah, this trade gave around 150 or 160 pips. So even this was a very much good trade. All these are based on our new strategy. Old strategy was good, but we were not finding good accuracy, and there was not much frequency in that. We are getting very much less threats, so we have upgraded it. Yep. And how do I mark my levels? अभी ट्रेड ही ओपन नहीं हुआ, ट्रेड विल प्लान अवर ट्रेड अभी। बिटकॉइन का इधर से नहीं तो इधर से, ये दोनों लेवल्स में से एक बाइंग का ट्रेड प्लान करना है अभी। There is no open trades right now. गोल्ड में इधर से एक बाइंग का प्लान है, एंड इन बिटकॉइन देयर इज अ बाइंग प्लान फ्रॉम दीज टू लेवल्स। देयर इज आल्सो अ सेल साइड ट्रेड अपॉर्चुनिटी इधर से बिटकॉइन में। अराउंड कितना है ये? 692। ओके, 3 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम, राइट? परफेक्ट, दिस इज द लेवल। बिटकॉइन में समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपेंस ना, इधर हियर वी कैन गो फॉर अ सेल साइड ट्रेड। इधर से इजीली हमको इधर नीचे तक का टारगेट मिल जाएगा। दैट्स अराउंड 40 to 50 पिप्स। This is one plan. Gold, we have to wait for it to come to this level. Should come down around 80 pips ऐसा आना है इसको नीचे। तभी एक हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड्स मिलेगा, or else trading will not be smooth. I'm back. Good to see you. Is that you in your profile picture? Is that actually you with that physique? Great, bro. Very much nice physique you had. I hope you get it back again. मुझे भी बना रहे हैं when I go to gym from past 1 year, but the problem is I have reduced my body fat percent a lot. But the first time when I started gym, I was 68 kgs. Now I have put on muscle. Even now I'm 68 kgs only. I'm not able to increase my weight, and I have to reduce my body fat percent near my biceps, near my chest, and all, so that my cuts are more visible. You're a professional athlete. Uh, okay. So listen, I need a help. Go here, and this is my Telegram channel. Okay, go to my channel description. Text me here. Okay, it will be very much helpful if you give me a good. No, yeah, you can text me there. A good workout split. I'm not able to find a good workout split. Sometimes I follow push pull leg. Sometimes I follow bro split, but not getting proper results as I'm expecting. I need such a workout plan in which I can complete it within 1 hour, hitting two muscles a day, anything like that. After this stream, you can just message me there and guide me a bit. Gold, bhai, gold, we have to wait. It's Monday, right? So Monday, whenever the market opens, markets will be slow. Monday. What's the news? Is there any news? Tomorrow we have news around 7 p.m. Then no major news. Only tomorrow is a major news. During this channel we have to be very much cautious about news and all, because we have to trade at that time where we cannot expect that sudden spikes, because our stop loss will be very much small, right? Our stop loss is just 10 pips, so we cannot afford very much big sleepages. So we have to be careful of all this. And guys, I have also find a very much good trailing stop loss strategy. Okay, so in that, most probably wherever we'll trail, our stop loss will be very much say for example, imagine you have entered here. Okay, you have entered at this point. Now what you do, market has moved around 50 pips, right? You want to trail your stop loss. Now what do you guys do? You trail your stop loss here or here, something like this, right? But mostly market will come hunt your trailing stop loss, then it will go up. Okay, so I have found a new trailing stop loss strategy also, by which we'll place our trailing stop loss in such a way that 95% chances that market will not touch our trailing stop loss, it will just go up. And there are new levels which I found out. In that, what happens is we can add more and more quantity. For example, there is a pullback here, right? I can tell you where is that exact bottom of that pullback where you can add more quantity in this trade. Example, here you have added some quantity, here you have added. These are called scaling quantities. Okay, like for example, let me just tell you. mm, Bitcoin, there are not much levels. Yeah, layering. Okay, so in gold, imagine you took your entry here. Now you want to trail your stop loss. So your trailing stop loss will be exactly here. At this point will be your trailing stop loss. And notice one thing, I'll just mark the levels. I have another device here in which I have coded something. So that code is giving me this levels. Okay. Now just see, I have drawn these two levels, right? This will be a trailing stop loss. You will notice most probably it will come here again, it will just bounce from here or bounce from here. No, no, no. Do not miss any entry. There was no setup form. Setup is formed on these levels, bro. These two levels. Market is very much slow today. Morning it was good. I just have more 4 days. I should go to the college till 1. My college is 1 hour away from my home. So till I return back from college, it's almost 2:15. After that, I start my stream. So that is one headache. After 4 days, so I don't have to go to college anymore. Then I can fully concentrate on trading. Just see, this is the zone. Okay, most probably market can this. Where do you live? Bangalore, bro. I live in Bangalore, Bengaluru, in the middle of the city. Yeah, as I told you, I had marked two levels and a zone. Okay, and I gave you a trailing stop loss here, right? Just see, just touch that same level and it went back. This is how we find out uh, levels. Okay, these are very much high probability key levels. Obviously, you guys are not able to see that. Some guys will tell that it's double bottom, but no, this level was formed long back before even this W and all this were formed. Okay, so I have showed you how to trail your stop loss. Okay, for example, market gave this spike. Okay, if you would have trailed your stop loss below this candle, till now you would be out of the trade, right? But you trail your stop loss below this level and market just came, it gave a reaction right from this level, it went up around 30. How much big is this candle? It formed around a 20 pip candle here. So these are the points where we can scale in more and more. Okay, these are called the scaling level where we can do layering. We can do like another trade here, entry point here, stop loss below this level for 10 pips here, then we can keep our tickets, something like this. No buys entries from, buys entries are from these level, bro. 1 second, it's on 4060, 4060 at this point. This is next high probability buying level. These are 15-minute time frame level. See, the more you go on the bigger picture, right, the more clear the chart looks. Now if I tell you on 5-minute time frame there are levels, 1-minute time frame there are levels, but they are not the actual strong levels from where we can expect big. Assalamu alaikum Sajid bhai. Walaikum salam, bro. Welcome back to the stream. Bitcoin, maybe these two are the buying levels. Market is a bit slow. How much pips did it give? Around 30 to 40 pips. साजिद भाई सेटिंग चेंज करें, नेम शो नहीं हो रहा है एट। क्या नेम चेंज नहीं हो रहा है ब्रो? किसमें नेम शो नहीं हो रहा है? क्या हो गया भाई? जिस तरह मेरा नाम हसन आपकी स्ट्रीम में शो होता है, तो मेरा चैनल नेम क्या? एवरीथिंग सीम्स गुड। सब कुछ तो सही है। लाइव स्ट्रीम के सेटिंग्स है वो आप लाइव के बाद देखना। अच्छा, चैट बॉक्स के बारे में बोल रहे हो? क्यों, मेरे चैट बॉक्स में क्या आ रहा है? ओके, सो मे बी इट्स कमिंग अराउंड ये @w ऐसा कुछ आ रहा होगा, राइट? दिस इज माई अनदर जीमेल अकाउंट, डोंट वरी, दिस इज नॉट माई ओरिजिनल। ये मैं अपने ईमेल आईडी से नहीं देख रहा हूँ, दिस इज माई अनदर जीमेल अकाउंट। वेट, I'll just go from this original email ID. One second. Your channel live, it's Mastermind. Now, एक काम करो, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर आप मेरे को टेलीग्राम पे सेंड कर दो। व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? आई एम नॉट एबल टू रेक्टिफाई, आई एम नॉट दैट मच टेक फ्रेंडली गाय। कैन यू जस्ट टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट एंड सेंड इट टू मी? व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? मेरे पर्सनल टेलीग्राम में, कैन जस्ट सेंड इट टू मी। सेंड इट टू मी पर्सनल। Yeah, bro, you can send it on my telegram and I'll just see what's the problem. ये दो levels mark these two levels, okay? This is one level, this is one level. I'll just tell you what exactly what we have to do is, uh, if gold comes here, let it cross this level, and when it will reverse now from here, go for sell side trade from here, or else these two levels, okay? These two levels you have to keep an eye on. Bitcoin and agar buying ka trade, if gold comes here at this point, goes little bit down, and then if it reverses again from here, plan your buy side trades from here, okay? 1 minute में देखना है, 1 minute में, yeah, see, this is the 1 minute time frame level here in gold. That is 15, whatever I showed you, this is 15 minutes time frame level, bro. We will analyze the market on 15-minute time frame. We'll take our entries on 1 minute time frame, okay? So this is 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame में mark your around 4058.64. Mark this level, buying level here, and then sell side level you can mark 4081. 15-minute time frame. It is 40811. Okay. One second, bro. I'll just tell you. This is another good sell side entry level here, but mostly market, I think it is gonna respect this level. See, I'll just tell you what we'll do, okay? For example, अब मैंने क्या किया है? I just saw this major level, okay, fine. See, this is the major level. This is not. This is one major level on 15-minute time frame, okay? This is a support. After drawing on 15-minute time frame, we'll shift to 1 minute time frame. After shifting to 1 minute time frame, we will refine this level. We'll see कि इसके आसपास कोई अच्छा clear support है या नहीं. So in 1 minute time frame, there is a clear support level here, right? So we'll mark this 1 minute support level so that we get stop loss very much small. अगर हमारा एंट्री इधर पे होता है, if we keep our stop loss below this level, 10 पे stop loss ऐसा रहेगा. If we mark the 15-minute time frame level, our stop loss will be big. So go for the 1 minute time frame level. इसके बाद we need minimum one minute candle to close below this level, okay? If you are going for buying, minimum एक 1 minute का candle इसके नीचे close होना. Then if it reverses from here again above this level, keep your stop loss of 10 pips below this level and go for a buy side trade, okay? I think buy side आना इसका मुश्किल है. It's gonna go for sell side only by looking at the chart here. It's gonna take rejection from this level. Selling के लिए भी same. 15 मिनट पर हमने एक मेजर लेवल ड्रॉ किया. शिफ्ट टू द 1 minute टाइम फ्रेम, ड्रॉ माइनर लेवल लाइक दिस, लाइक हाउ दिस इज अ माइनर लेवल, राइट? ड्रॉ माइनर लेवल लाइक दैट. Wait for a breakout, at least one minute candle to close above 1 or 2 minute, two candles. Then again when it reverses and crosses this level, here you have to short your plan sell side trades. Let me see, I'll just wait for some more time. 4 बजे तक. Yeah, there is a resistance level here, but problem ये है कि no minor level here और time window के बाहर है. And this is a good level. It too. Here also market can behave very much well. What is the SLTP? What we are aiming for? See, bro, stop loss is fixed. Okay, that is 10 pips. Whichever trade will take, stop loss will be 10 pips. Minimum TP will be of 35 pips. But now when we have shifted to our new strategy, we are getting 50, 100, 120 pips also. So as soon as we get 35 pips, we will make sure that we secure this 35 pips first. Then we'll keep the trade open, how much ever it goes, 100 pips, 120 pips. We'll capture as much as possible, okay? I'll tell you one more thing. Sometimes what happens in gold, 10 pips of stop loss is very much small, okay? It's not possible to trade on 10 pips of stop loss in gold, okay? So at that time what we'll do, imagine if we are taking our trade from 0.04, right, and a stop loss of 10 pips. Whenever the stop loss it's like becoming big, that time we'll reduce our quantity. We'll do it half, 0.02. We'll keep our stop loss of 20 pips. Okay, here also the stop loss is of $4. Here also the stop loss is of $4. Here we minimum aim for 35 pips. Here we'll do it double. We'll aim for 70 pips minimum. Okay, whenever we have to adjust our stop loss, we'll just reduce the lot size to half. According to that we'll do. Okay, so that हमारा stop loss hit ना हो आसानी से. Whenever we get an opportunity of 10 pips of stop loss, we'll go with full quantity 10 पिप का stop loss. SL थोड़ा बड़ा लग रहा है 15 pips 20 pips, quantity half, entry. And I showed you guys how the trades are forming now. So join my Telegram channel, notifications on करके रखो. जब भी whenever I'll come live, I'll post the link there. Join as soon as possible. Okay. Yeah. And this I'm not flipping this account blindly. एक proper plan है, proper strategy है, layering का proper plan है, risk management, everything is very much clear now. So last week pura week I did not take much trades. I was only and only working on the strategy and risk management, layering everything. Okay, so now we have a perfect ready strategy on which we'll be trading. ये level पर alert लगा लो. This is a seriously very much good level. And even this level, mark even this level here. Don't blindly rush here. सबसे पहले देखो, let it be a breakdown here. Okay, breakdown के बाद if there is a sharp selling, then go for this level. If you see that market is sustaining below this level, 1 or 2 1 minute candle has closed below this level, and if it reversing, तब यहाँ पर अपने एंट्री लो. ठीक है, or else this level, because these two are very much good levels here 15 minute time frame के हिसाब से. तो yes, this level and this level. Bitcoin में एक sell side trade we can plan. I'll tell you how. Yes, बन गया लेवल. तो विल वेट, इसको क्रॉस होने देंगे, इसके ऊपर एटलीस्ट 1 मिनट का 1 कैंडल क्लोज होने देंगे मिनिमम. देन इफ इट क्रॉसेस अगेन बिलो दिस, वी कैन शॉर्ट फ्रॉम हियर. एक सेल साइड ट्रेड इधर चलेंगे. And one more rule to keep in your mind. Example, imagine. Okay, so what we'll do is, so this is our chart which we'll be following, right? And this is very much important. Okay, so imagine हमारा हो गया है, वी हैव रीच्ड टिल हियर. ओके, $323 तक. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट ट्रेड हमें लेना है विद 0.4 लॉट्स. स्टॉप लॉस विल बी ऑफ $40. विल एम $144. ओके, तो इफ बाय चांस ये ट्रेड में हमारा $40 का स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, तो हमारा कैपिटल जो है रिड्यूस होकर अराउंड 2800, नहीं, $283 हो जाएगा, राइट? इफ हमारा स्टॉप लॉस ये ट्रेड में हिट हो गया तो एट दिस पॉइंट व्हाट विल डू, विल पॉज अवर चैलेंज. हम क्या करते हैं, जितना क्वांटिटी इधर पे लिया है ना, मान लो 0.4 से लिया है ना, हम 0.15 या 0.2 से एंट्री लेंगे अपना. स्टॉप लॉस छोटा रखेंगे ऑफ 10 पिप्स. फर्स्ट विल ट्राई टू रिकवर द लॉस. ये जितना भी जो एसएल हिट हुआ था ना, पहले ये लॉस रिकवर करेंगे. देन विल कम बैक टू अवर ओरिजिनल स्टार्टिंग कैपिटल, दैट इज $223. फिर जो है हम फिर से कंटिन्यू करेंगे 0.04 विद द स्टॉप लॉस. ओके, सो वेन एवर वन स्टॉप लॉस विल हिट, हमारा एक्चुअल स्टार्टिंग कैपिटल से हमारा कैपिटल थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट ट्रेड हाफ क्वांटिटी. सबसे पहले गोल रहेगा जितना भी हमारा लॉस हुआ है पिछले ट्रेड में, टू रिकवर दैट लॉस. उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट ट्रेड होगा, देन अगेन बैक टू बेसिक्स. इधर से हम सेम क्वांटिटी हमसे सेलेक्ट करके विल बी टेकिंग द ट्रेड. ऐसा नहीं कि इधर पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, नेक्स्ट ट्रेड ओके फाइन, लेट मी जस्ट कंटिन्यू विद द सेम लॉट साइज अगेन. और भी बड़ा लॉस हो सकता है. तो वी विल कीप आवर लॉसेस इन कंट्रोल फर्स्ट. बिटकॉइन लग रहा बाइंग को ही जाने वाला है। बिटकॉइन का मेन बाइंग लेवल है। ये दिस इज रियली वेरी मच गुड बाइंग लेवल हियर। वेट करो, अलर्ट इधर पे लगा लो, इधर से एक अच्छा सा ट्रेड मिल सकता है। कैन गेट अ वेरी मच गुड ट्रेड फ्रॉम हियर। And I'll teach you guys how I actually mark my levels, how I actually mark my trailing levels, TP levels। और अब से आप you guys notice जिधर भी हमारा TP रहेगा, right, market will just hit our stop like TP, और वहीं से ही एक रिवर्सल आ सकता है। So we'll do pinpoint entries and pinpoint exits from now। तो जब भी मेरे 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स हिट होंगे, that day I'll reveal the secret how I mark my levels, each and everything। So till then you guys have to wait। स्नाइपर इंटरव्यू किया जैसे इधर बिटकॉइन में दिया था। बिटकॉइन में आप मेरे फ्राइडे की मॉर्निंग वाली स्ट्रीम देख लो। एग्जैक्टली आई हैड मार्क दिस लेवल हियर, 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम। फ्राइडे की मेरी स्ट्रीम जाके देख लो। ये क्रैश आने से पहले आई हैड मार्क दिस एग्जैक्ट लेवल हियर। दिखाता हूँ, रुको आपको लाइव। ये थी मेरी सुबह की फ्राइडे वाली। या यू सॉ इट राइट, एग्जैक्टली वो पिन पॉइंट लेवल से ही मार्केट ने अपना रिवर्सल लिया। It was crashing, it just touched that line which I had marked long way before, और उधर से ही मार्केट ने अराउंड 328 पिप्स का मूव दिया, फिर से नीचे आया, एक करेक्शन लिया अगेन फ्रॉम द सेम लेवल। यू कैन सी किधर से किधर गया, इधर से राइट, अराउंड 760 पिप्स अप। so this is how we'll be marking our TP, our exit, our stop loss। तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्नाइपर रखने का ट्राई करेंगे। तो जल्दी जल्दी 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स कर दो। आई जस्ट ऑफिशियली टेल यू हाउ आई मार्क द लेवल्स। And the market respects this level very much badly, you know। For example, I'll just show you a small glimpse of it। गोल्ड 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम है राइट। एक लेवल मार्क करता हूँ। मोस्ट प्रॉब्लम ऐसे आई एम नॉट गॉड, सो आई कैनॉट प्रिडिक्ट 100%। 70 to 80% आई कैन प्रिडिक्ट द मार्केट नाउ। दिस इज द लेवल, ओके। अब गोल्ड क्या करेगा, मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली यू कैन सी अ डाउन साइड मूव फ्रॉम हियर। इधर से ही रिजेक्शन लेगा मोस्टली। You guys can mark this level and you can see it's around 72.4, 72.6 के आसपास इधर पे। if the market come if gold comes here, this will be the point from where it will just try to reverse। आ रहा है। Like the stream guys, 5 people are watching। Like the stream, like the stream, subscribe to the channel if you are new। After seeing this one move, I'll just close the stream, okay। क्योंकि बिटकॉइन बहुत स्लो चल रहा है। 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम के हिसाब से तो Hmm. So I can enter on 72 with ISL and TP of 66. Bro, I'm not, हमें इसमें enter नहीं करना है. You know, these small levels which I'm marking, these are layering. Okay, this is not our actual real entry and exit. These are layering and हमारा stop loss trailing के लिए है ये these levels at 1 minute time frame which I'm marking. The levels which I'll mark on the 15-minute time frame, they are the real levels with from where we can go for entry and exit. Or your stop loss, what you're telling is mm, around 20 pips, right? So 20 pips stop loss नहीं चाहिए. फर्स्ट विल सी हाउ थिक इज दिस लेवल. इधर पे अगर 10 पिप्स का स्टॉप लॉस फिट हो जा रहा है या इधर से 10 पिप्स का स्टॉप लॉस विल बी इनफ. बट डोंट टेक ट्रेड हियर. दिस ट्रेड्स आर ओनली फॉर लेयरिंग. और इसमें टीपी बट इतना नहीं मिलेगा. यू विल गेट अ टीपी अराउंड हाउ मच टिल हियर ओनली 68.3. इफ इट टचेस दिस लेवल, यहाँ से टैप करके इधर तक आ सकता है. लेट्स सी दिस वन. टिल देन BTC is also coming on level. Do you guys trust me that I can do it? Yes, perfect level. Yeah, के पास है 7. हम्म, ये एक अच्छा लेवल है. अरे भाई थोड़ा सा और टच कर लेगा तो उसका क्या चल जाता. Yeah, bro. Trust is very much important for some people. Yes, because I do believe in trust. If it's possible, trust it. Yeah, it's possible. You know, the psychology. What happens here is when you have worked hard for something. Okay, when you have given your everything for a particular thing. Okay, for example, for this particular challenge, this is ऐसा नहीं कि मैं मुंह उठा के किसी दिन I decided that I'll do this. Okay, the table I have designed it by myself, strategy by myself, the rules for this everything I've designed from myself from past maybe 6 months. Okay, 6 months से मैं इसे डिजाइन करते आ रहा हूँ and I have given my everything here. So I personally believe that it will work. If it works, it will be life changing. By the way, this is my 4th year in trading now. Completed my 3 years. This is my 4th year in trading and 3rd year in crypto forex market. Before 1 year, I used to trade in the Indian market in options. Then Indian markets was fully trashed, so I left Indian markets. I shifted to forex. Now it's my 3rd year in forex. आ रहा है. और ये जो slow selling, this weakness you can see ना, this is the indication that Bitcoin is ready to blast. It just need a liquidity of this level. इधर से जैसे इसको liquidity मिलेगा ना, gonna go blast. This is a support level. आने दो, थोड़ा सा ही बचा है. If at this level we don't see a high momentum, देन वी हैव टू गो फॉर दिस लेवल। ये लेवल फिर इनवैलिड हो जाएगा क्योंकि इधर पे सपोर्ट ब्रेक होके इधर सेलर्स सब बायर्स आर नॉट सो मच स्ट्रांग एट दिस लेवल। इधर से ही अगर अच्छे से रिएक्शन दिखाता है देन विल डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस लेवल। What's happening in the 5 minute time frame? Even in the 5 minute time frame at the same level, 15 पर भी वही लेवल है। फिफ्टीन मिनट्स पर लेवल is tapped, but 1 minute पर we need one rejection from here। 15 मिनट्स पर इधर पर टैप हो गया है लेवल। That's why you can say this FPGs। I don't know about FPGs, dude। I have learned only two things, okay, from past 3 years, and which I'm following only two things, that is liquidity and supply and demand। This reaction it's coming from 15 minute time frame level। 15 minutes time frame पर वो level tap हो गया है, but 1 minute time frame पर we need liquidity from this level so that it can go more up, उसको ज़्यादा ये fuel मिल पाए। अगर इधर से हम लेंगे then how much TP we can expect is we can expect easily around 60 pips का TP है इधर से अगर एंट्री होगी तो। बट मुझे डर किस बात का लगता है, when we enter right the trade goes in our direction but it comes for a pullback। पुलबैक कभी कभी अपना ब्रेक ऑन पॉइंट से ऊपर जाता है, बट व्हाट आई फियर इज कभी कभी वो पुलबैक हमारा स्टॉप लॉस लेके फिर वापस ना जाए। आई एम ओनली स्केयर्ड ऑफ दिस वन थिंग, और इस मोस्ट ऑफ द पुलबैक्स व्हिच आई हैव सीन ड्यूरिंग फॉरवर्ड टेस्टिंग आता है अपना फिर से लेवल को टच करके अपसाइड मूवमेंट दे देता है। 15 मिनट्स का लेवल है इधर पे। या तो मेरे को बस वो एक ही एक चीज का डर है बस कि हमारा स्टॉप लॉस इधर पे खा के फिर ना जाए। 15 मिनट्स का लेवल कैसा है भाई, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम छोटी सी कैंडल इधर पे है, इधर से स्टार्ट होते हैं। दिस इज द 15 मिनट्स एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर। वेट करना पड़ता तो थोड़ा सा। एंड अनदर गुड न्यूज इज my partner who trades with me is back from Saudi, so most probably you can see two people trading, me and another guy। Two people will be giving you the analysis, जैसे चैनल पर see the old live streams, पुराने अपने लाइव स्ट्रीम्स अगर आप देखोगे, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम, you can see there are two people here। It's me and there is one more guy in the meeting, so there are two people here, so we both will be giving you the analysis together because we both have been trading together from a long time, so there will be more accuracy। अरे भाई 15 मिनट का लेवल टैप करके जा रहा है। 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में रिजेक्शन वाली है, कुछ है क्या? इधर से रिजेक्शन आने वाला तो है। 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम का एक लेवल है इधर पे, आ भी रहा है रिजेक्शन लेके इधर तक आने का, फिर इधर से इसको ऐसा उठना चाहिए। दिस इज व्हाट वी आर एमिंग। दिस डज नॉट फॉर्म, देन वी हैव टू एम फॉर सम अदर लेवल। गोल्ड, गोल्ड भी आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा और ऊपर आया था तो इधर का आई कुड शो यू, नो प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, ऐड एन अलर्ट हियर। बिटकॉइन इधर से एक सेलिंग का लेवल था यहाँ पर, रेसिस्टेंस लेवल। टाइम फ्रेम 15, draw another resistance here. Okay, this is another resistance here. इधर से भी we can see a pullback, a downside move के लिए। We mark this level something like this, ऐसा कुछ होता था क्या लेवल कोई है? This was the perfect level. गोल्ड आने दो, गोल्ड इधर से उठाता है फ्रॉम राइट फ्रॉम दिस लेवल एंड बिटकॉइन 15 मिनट्स का लेवल छूट गया, बट नो इधर पे एक रेसिस्टेंस है। मार्क दिस लेवल, इफ समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपेंस ना, गो फॉर अ सेल साइड ट्रेड फ्रॉम हियर, ओके? और एग्जैक्ट डायरेक्टली मत घुस जाओ। फॉर एग्जांपल अब जैसे इधर पे एक रेसिस्टेंस है, राइट? ड्रॉ कंफर्मेशन ट्रेंड लाइन हियर लाइक दिस। जब ऊपर जाके आपने ये ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ कर लिया, यू हैव ड्रॉन अ ट्रेंड लाइन, ऊपर जाके जब रिवर्स होके इफ इट ब्रेक्स दिस ट्रेंड लाइन और इस लेवल के नीचे अराउंड हियर आता है ना, देन इसके ऊपर स्टॉप लॉस रखे यहाँ तक का एक सेल साइड का ट्रेड ले सकते हो आप। दिस इज अ सेल साइड लेवल हियर, इधर भी एक लेवल है एंड इधर पे भी एक लेवल है। 456, इधर किधर किधर एक लेवल है। ये या ये दो लेवल से इधर पे सेलिंग के, ये लेवल ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है इफ यू कंपेयर दिस लेवल एंड दिस लेवल। 7-2 अच्छा, ये सेलिंग लेवल के पास ना। देयर आर टू लेवल्स इधर भी, ये वाला एक लेवल है, ये एक लेवल है एंड अनदर लेवल है this one. ये दो लेवल्स है इधर पे, तो हमें मार्केट कैन रिएक्ट। बट आई एम टेलिंग नाउ ओनली दिस टू आर वीक लेवल्स, ठीक है। इधर से बस मूव आएगा तो 10-20 पिप्स मैक्स टू मैक्स, या फिर 30 पिप्स। you want to wait for big levels, big moves, then you have to wait in Bitcoin for this level, और गोल्ड में 60 के पास का ये दो लेवल है ना, दिस आर द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट लेवल, जहाँ से 85% चांसेस है कि वहां से यू कैन सी अ गुड मूव फ्रॉम देयर, 1800 पिप्स का मूव। एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग, एज यू गाइज आर डूइंग द चैलेंज विथ मी, सो यू हैव टू नो एवरीथिंग, राइट। तो अब मान लो मैंने एक ट्रेड लिया, ठीक है। वो ट्रेड में आई एम एमिंग फॉर $12, ओके, टीपी इज $12, बट 35 पिप्स में, बट एग्जाम्पल वी कैप्चर्ड अराउंड 80 पिप्स, ठीक है। और इसमें $12 के बदले हमारा प्रॉफिट हो गया अराउंड $25, ठीक है। तो वी हैव मेड एक्स्ट्रा हाउ मच, $13, राइट। सो ये जो $13 है ना, दिस विल बी यूजिंग एज अ बफर। हम ये $13 में से कुछ पार्ट रिस्क करके विल टेक द नेक्स्ट ट्रेड, ओके। सो दैट इफ ये $13 स्टॉप लॉस हिट भी हुआ, देन विल बी बैक टू अवर ओरिजिनल, हम लोग एक स्टेप पीछे नहीं जाएंगे। सो वॉट एवर एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉफिट्स व्हाट विल बी मेकिंग, दैट इज अवर बफर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसा इसमें वी आर एमिंग फॉर हाउ मच, $195, ठीक है। मान लो इसमें हमारा $250 हमने बना लिया इंस्टेड ऑफ $195, तो हमारा $55 हम लोग बफर है ना, प्रॉफिट में है ना। सो दिस बफर विल बी यूजिंग इन दिस प्लेस, इसका है सेल में। ब्रो ब्रो ब्रो, एड अलर्ट्स एट दिस लेवल, यहाँ से आएगा तो यहाँ से ट्रेड करेंगे। टिल देन आई जस्ट एंड द स्ट्रीम राइट नाउ, already 4:17, I'll go have my lunch, then I'll go to the gym. After returning back to the gym, from the gym, I'll start the live stream again. Okay, so I'll just end the stream now. ये लेवल मार्क करके रखो, बहुत अच्छा लेवल है ये दो लेवल। From there let's see, okay, I'll just end the stream here.